Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox a box that is Facon box. So I'm just gonna open this and I'm just gonna show you what all things I got inside. This is how the box looks like. It's plain white, and yeah, I have to like slide to get the actual box out. So this is how the box looks like. It is a grab box. I think it's like a beauty grab box. Yeah, they have two kind of grab box. One is jewelry, one is beauty. So I think I have beauty one. Yes, this is the beauty grab box. So here I have some info cards. It says congratulations on your beauty grab box, and all the information about the products is written here. So the very first thing I can see is a cleansing scrub gel. This is cucumber cleansing scrub gel basically, and I'm getting 100 ml of product. Yeah, you can use it anywhere, on your body, on your face, on your arms, on your back. Yeah, you can do use it anywhere, and it has shelf life of 3 years, which is amazing. Like, you know, you can use it for a longer duration as well. And this face and body gel scrub retails for 300 Indian rupees. Now let's just move on to another product. Then I see, okay, this is again a gel. This is Facon Aloe Gold Gel, and this retails for 250 Indian rupees, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 grams, that is 1.7 fluid ounce. Okay, so basically this is like a strong anti-aging agent, and it improves skin's natural firmness, and it is anti-inflammatory as well, reduce inflammation as well. So okay, I think I should try this because right now I'm getting a lot of inflammation due to some acne, so I think I should try this out. And yeah, it has 2 years of shelf life. So this is the Aloe Gold Gel. Alright, so let's just move on to the next product. The next thing I can see is again by Facon. It's Neroli Hydrosol. Okay, what is this exactly? Okay, let me just, because I really don't know about anything about this product, so I'm just gonna read out of the info cards they have. Okay, wow, it is an astringent, and I really wanted an astringent because of my acne. Astringent really helps me when I get pimples or acne like this. So yeah, I really wanted to get an astringent, and now I have it. I'm so happy. This it says it's a natural astringent which tightens, firms and tones your skin. It fights off pro-aging and skin damaging free radicals. It works in radical cleansing and exfoliating your skin as well as pores. So it can be used as skin cleanser, toner, body splash, sunburn, soother and makeup remover too. So I'm very excited to try this out, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 ml of product, that is 3.38 fluid ounce, and this retails for 400 Indian rupees, and I'm so happy to try this out. I'm just gonna spray and see. It has a very herbal and soothing fragrance, really refreshing fragrance it has, but very herbal one. Now let's check out what else I got in this bag. Now let's just check out what else I got in this box. Okay, I see a kajal. Okay, so this is Davis Colors of Life Real Black Kajal, which is 24 hours waterproof perfect eye defying kajal, and this one retails for 125 Indian rupees, and the amount of product I'm getting is 0.35 grams. This is the kajal. A little, you know, the packaging is open, so this is how it looks like. Alright, I think I'm just left with one last thing. Okay, so this is a lipstick. Oh my god, I really love the packaging. It's so pretty and colorful. This lipstick is from Kiss Beauty, and I got the shade number 2. Let's just see how the shade looks like. Ooh, it looks pretty matte red lipstick. Oh, the color is so pretty. Oh my god, love it. So this is the Kiss Beauty lipstick, and this one retails for 200 rupees. Okay, so I got products worth rupees 1275 in this box. So yeah, that's it. That was it for the Facon box for the month of July. The things I am most excited about is I really like the lipstick and the shade. And the next thing I am very excited about is this Neroli Hydrosol, which is like a multi-purpose product, and it is an astringent, and I really wanted to get an astringent because of my acne problem developing again. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to try it, and I will let you know how I like it or not. Yeah, so that's it for July grab box. If you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.
And the worst of it all, that I can't keep my heart straight.